Hello everyone! Welcome to Chunbi Vlogs, ang pamilyang gala na laging gutom. So guys, we are here sa Aspen Lakeview Campground and Mommy is making some breakfast.
Good morning.
Good morning everyone! So yan guys, while Mommy is cooking food for our breakfast, let's go and tour around the campground. Ito yung area namin sa Loop A. Itong area na to, this is full hookup. Full hookup is all connected to the power, sewer and water. So Loop A is there is around 50, more than 50 sites here in Loop A. Dito papunta doon, from here to the other side. So this area here is the full service, so lots of camper this time guys, because this is like the some are the last camping of the year. If you can see, some of the leaves now are kind of changing to orange and some leaves are falling. It means that winter is coming soon. So mostly people now are going to camping dahil huling hirit sa tag-init habang warm pa. Ito yung dito Loop A din to, 29 to 35. Pero maganda dito dahil medyo parang malalaki yung sites nila dito. So malaki ang space, hindi ka ano kahaba pero malaki ang space, so you can just park your vehicle in the side, or they have also designated parking spots for vehicles. So in here, the check-in time is 4 p.m. and the check-out time is 2 p.m. So wala na dito, ikot lang. Maganda dito, parang malaki yung space nila. At naka ano, full hookup din dito. So very nice. And what's nice in here is kind of quiet, and it's not just kinda, it's really quiet and peaceful. So, let's go to site B, Loop B. Let's go to Loop B guys. So this is a big campground, lots of sites, and they are full right now. So over there is the dump site, like if you can see, yeah, those over there, that place is the dump site. for those who don't have sewer on their sites. So that building in there is the shower area and the washroom, so you can go shower and take a bath, or just want to use the toilet. That's it. So loop B, sites 110 to 116. Let's go here. So 110 to 116, it's the same thing. It's like this sites is a little bit smaller sites, but all in all very fine for like 30 feet trailers, and you can just park your vehicle also on the sides. Or first couple loops of site B are pole hookups. The same thing with loop A. So in here, so they also have a toilet or a comfort room or washroom in the in this loop, this one here in the middle. There. So every day they clean the toilet and washroom in here. So it is very nice in here because there's also a big huge lake that you can play and can cool down with your family, friends, or loved ones. It's really hot, or you can just play in the beach, at the beach. In this site, this is the site that is close to the beach and boat launch. So if you have boats or watercraft, this is where you launch them to go to the lake. And the sites here closer to the lake, closer to the beach, they only have power on their sites, and mostly the closer you go to the beach, the sites are getting smaller. They are smaller, and they probably have to maximize the sites. So let's go check in here. Same thing. What's nice also in here is mostly the sites are pull through. What does pull through means is just like you just drive through. You don't have to back up, so it's just a pull through. So as you can see, it's really nice and it's easy for drivers. Wow, big ano sila group. So mga Pilipino yata to. So let's go to the boat launch and I'll show you guys a quick tour also sa beach area. Okay, let's go guys sa boat launch. So guys, we are here now at Aspen Lakeview Campground boat launch. So this is their boat launch, right? So right now guys, the water is too shallow. Shallow. Look at the ducks. Yeah, it's very shallow right now. See, usually the water goes up to here. This line here. So all the way. Last year when we came in here, the water was like in the middle of this line. So the water was really high. Right now, it's really shallow. So this is the boat launch, and also this lake, this is Gull Lake. This is a big lake also, and you can fish in here. So I'll show you guys what you can catch here and their limits. Here it is. So there, and those are the dates that you can fish in here. So there you go guys, that's are the species that you are allowed and restricted here. So if you catch a fish that's not on that, you're good. You can catch them any size, any amount, if it's not that species. Okay, let's go back to our tour. Let's go to the beach. I'll show you guys. At the beach, and I'll show you guys their playground and their beach. So in here there's a washroom close to the beach, so if you need to go to the washroom, toilet or comfort room, there's one in here closer. So there's a playground, and yeah, this is the beach. That's what I said, the water is so far from the beach. It's shallow now. Usually, see if you can see that buoy, that line where the roof is. It's supposed to be a place that you can swim, and to restrict boaters not to go close to that area, because this area is supposed to be the beach, and there's supposed to be water in this area, but unfortunately the water is too far now from the beach. So beyond this point, no pets. So yeah, this is the beach. So time check guys, it's early in the morning. That's why there's no one in here, and if you can see, it's really quiet and it's kind of foggy. So there it is. We have kids and them like early birds, and there's a lot of path walks in here, bike paths. So if you like hiking or just for a walk and biking. So there you go guys, I've shown you the boat launch, the beach, and parts of Loop A and Loop B. So ayan guys, that's for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment down below what you think, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye for now.